Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to split and extract pages in PDF document. So here actually you can see we have an PDF where it is in one page, so we just want to split this page into a couple of pages. So how we can do it? There is a couple of options here available, so you just need to go over that one is split PDF, like separate a one page or a whole set for easy conversation into independent PDF file. Just click this one and then you just need to select your PDF here. So let's say I'm going to select this one and then I will split between this one. So here you can see now you can make it into the 3-1 page like here. Then you just need to let's select our page. So I will select this one, and then click split PDF. Once I click over here, then it already been done. Now it will take a couple of minutes to download. So the process is really simple. You just need to scan, and once it's done, then you will eventually show the PDF in your desktop. So we just need to wait only 7 seconds. So let's wait a bit and then eventually see our final result. So what actually is the split one? So we are going to open this one and you can see it already divided. So in the page, if I see the main page, then here you will actually see that the page has only one PDF. Now it become 2 pages with a split version. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.